National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, east central Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, until 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:57 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southeast of Hitchcock, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hennessy, Dover, Loyal, Omega, and Lacey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, Madrid County in northwestern Oklahoma, until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:33 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Cleo Springs to 4 miles southeast of Eagle City, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watonga, Fairview, Okeen, Canton, Ringwood, Cleo Springs, Longdale, Ames, Mano, Hitchcock, Loyal, Canton Lake, Orienta, Eagle City, Isabella, Homestead, Suburb, and Omega. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Time. At 4:46 p.m. Central Standard Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Hennessy, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazards include hail up to the size of nickels, wind gusts to 50 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Hennessy, Covington, Marshall, and Douglas.